Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to create a parameter to show sales in the selected date range dynamically. So if I select the date range from February 1st to February 10th or 9th, then you will get the sales from selected date range. So you will get the sales between this start date and end date. So let me remove fields from rows and columns and let me do from scratch. Delete this calculated field. So first I will drag order date into row shelf. Click on this drop down, click on more and custom. In the details select month, day, year. So dates are available from January 2nd, 2028 to 31st December 2021. So now we are going to create two parameters for start date and end date. Click on this drop down and click on create parameter and I will name it as start date. So data type should be date and then current value is start date in order date field. January 2nd, 2028. Sorry, 2018. And current value, value when the workbook opens is current value, and allowable values is list, and add values from order date. Then click on OK. So create one more field for end date and I will name this as end date and I will give the current value as end of the year 2021 so that we can select the date range from 1st January 2028 to 31st December 2021. Allowable values is list. Okay, then click on OK. So right click on start date and click on show parameter, then right click on end date, then click on show parameter. So from here you can select the date ranges. So nothing is reflected in the view, so we need to create a calculated field and I will name it as date range. So let me write the calculation to get the sales between start date and end date. So when order date is greater than the start date, so I will give the parameter name start date, and when the order date is less than end date, so then you will get sales between this start date and end date, less than or equals to, greater than or equals to. So this calculation is going to give the sales between start date and end date. Click on OK and drag this calculated field into filter shelf, then select true. So let me select the range from, for example, if I select from January 2nd, 2028 to January 30, 2028. So January 31st, 2028, then you will get the sales for the entire month. If you want to grand total this sales, go to analysis and go to totals, show column grand total, and I will drag the sales into text. So you will get a grand total for the entire month or for a selected range in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.